Okay, we have a 2005 Ford Expedition with a 5.4 liter Triton engine. Customers complaining the engine is misfiring and excessively noisy, rattling. We're doing the engine oil pressure test using the Snap-on Zeus scan tool with the Lab Scope and the 100 psi pressure transducer attached directly to where the oil pressure switch goes. And at idle, after the engine is heated up, it has only got 25 psi oil pressure idling in park. The engine doesn't sound too bad right now. Seems to be running smooth. Just pop it into gear here. Oil pressure just dropped down to 18. Now the engine is shaking and rattling and misfiring, knocking. So, pretty confident saying this vehicle needs a new engine replacement.